Hello, friends. So, you or your person can be an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. It can be Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. So, take only those messages which resonates with you and leave behind the rest, as this is a general collective reading, friends. So, we got 9 of Swords. So, as you can see, the lady sitting on bed, how she is feeling, very low and very heavy with these 9 swords. So these energies only coming from your person surrounding this connection, friends. I'm getting very heavy energies from this card. They are currently feeling very anxious, fearful, and very wounded and hurtful as well. Okay, they have lot of hurtful feelings flooding in their head as of now when we are doing the reading. So energy changes each and every second, friends. So this is not like how your person needs to be all the time. Okay, it is just that right now we are channeling your person's current thoughts. So maybe your person's current energies are heavy. Okay, I'm getting that this person has lot of past baggage. Okay, they are all caught up in their head. They have a past baggage which they are not you know uh, allowing to free from those past limiting beliefs, or past hurtful words, feelings in this connection, what I'm getting from energies, friends. So like they are rewinding the conversations which held with you, maybe in the recent past or last time when you both have a conversation with each other. So they are rewinding those past hurtful uh, feelings which they have carried from those conversations, or whatever like happened between both of you. Okay, so they are feeling very fearful about that situation, what I'm getting from the energies. So maybe like they have fears that they have lost you, okay, forever. Maybe like there were some arguments or misunderstandings or difference of opinions or disagreements between both of you which have caused them to feel anxious and overwhelmed right now. Okay, so I'm getting like they are continuously thinking of the thoughts which is giving them lot of pain and lot of hurtful feelings as of now. Okay, so and also I'm getting that they have they are carrying this lot of past baggage with them, maybe from this connection or from past connections, or from other connections which is not romantic. Okay, so maybe from their family. So they are getting, yeah, lot of like heaviness. I'm feeling that they are carrying this heaviness in their mind, in their thoughts, and which is breeding resentments in their emotions. Okay, and which is like causing lot of feeling of regret. Okay, but your person is currently feeling very stressed out. Maybe it is not related to you in general, it is also possible. Okay, maybe due to some other chaos in their life which is happening right now, maybe in their family or career, job, business. Okay, so this stress is also can be the reason from other sources. Okay, so but they are stressed out currently from their energies. Okay, maybe in this connection, like maybe they are thinking a lot about the future of this connection, which is making them feel, stressed out. Like they are feeling like, I should haven't said like this, I should have said like this, so like I should have or should not have, like these type of questions are going on in their head. Okay, so like what is the next step, like how to navigate further if you both are in some tough situation as of now. So they are feeling like very caught up, all caught up in their head, like confused, and lot of pain and lot of heaviness they are feeling basically, and which is making them feel very anxious and overwhelmed at the same time. Okay, and they may be losing sleep also. But I'm getting like this energy is not something from from this energy is not something they are carrying from a long time. This I'm getting that they are this these energies which I'm getting are from the recent past, like maybe from 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, or 1 month or something like that. Okay, 1 day or 2 day. But this I'm not getting like this energy they are carrying from past years, so I'm getting like they are stressed out, thinking, overthinking and thinking a very thinking in a very shallow perspectives. Like they are not seeing a broader perspective. Maybe they are just uh, rewinding those conversations and seeing things from their limiting beliefs, from their limiting perspective. Okay, which is causing heaviness in their thoughts. Okay, and yes, like lot of hurtful feelings like I'm getting. Like my head is like getting little bit, like I'm getting feeling like headache little bit. So I can feel this person's energy, how how this person is currently feeling, like he or she like is all caught up in their head. So which is maybe causing them headaches or feeling very anxious, low, fearful and stress, or maybe this person is going through depression. Okay, so however it resonates with your current situation, friends, so take only those messages. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So like these all the energies which I'm getting from this reading today, friends. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, friends, take care.